Our mission is to be the #1 provider of sustainable and renewable energy for our country. SolarCell started in 2017, focusing on residential projects. We wanted to use the most abundant power available in the Philippines, and that's the sun.
For 5 years already, with SolarCell, we're saving 16% per annum on electrical bills. As we're directly involved, we make sure that design and engineering are of top quality, not just with the initial projects, but with the succeeding ones as well. Throughout the years, solar became more cost-effective and panels became more efficient, and more clients and even corporations started reaching out to us, and here we are. Our core products include solar panel systems, which is our main product, and solar street lights. For the solar panel systems, they have two components, the solar panels and the solar inverter. The solar panels may be installed on the roof or on the ground depending on the client's preference. The panels are the one that harvest energy from the sun. The solar inverters are responsible for converting the energy for our residential, commercial, or industrial use.
SolarCell is the distributor of the #1 solar panel brand in the world, SunPower, in the Philippines. Designed in the US, SunPower is also our flagship product.
This brand has bifacial characteristics which front and back of it are panels. Yung harvest niya mas malaki because yung back part niya is nag-add up ng 20% of harvest than other brands because yung other brands has monofacial characteristics. But SunPower, at peak hour of harvest niya, 90% yung front part niya, pero yung back part niya is nada-add up na ng another 20%.
The cost of the solar panel system is dependent on the system size. At SolarCell, we need to do the site inspection first, interview the client, and design the system before we can come up with a recommendation. Price ranges really depends on how much you want to invest. The more you invest, the more you save. The return of investment is 3 to 5 years.
For a household with an electrical bill of 10,000 pesos, we would recommend either a 5 kilowatt for daytime use or 10 kilowatt if net metering or batteries are preferred. Net metering means exporting any excess power to the grid. This means that the electric company will buy back the unused energy from the house. A 10 kilowatt system installation would last 2 to 3 days. Our clients are a mix of residential, commercial, and industrial backgrounds. We have teams that handle residential clients that need a smaller system and corporate account officers for the commercial and industrial clients.
I had the SolarCell PH install our system since May 2022, and we've been using it every day. The reason why we had a solar system installed in our house is because of the high cost of electricity. And plus, I'm an advocate of renewable energy. I would recommend that each household have a solar system installed, not only because it brings down the electricity bill, but it also entails using lesser fossil fuel. When you use lesser fossil fuel, you will have lesser pollution.
Over the years, we have accomplished over 100 megawatt solar projects. These include solar farms, 30 megawatt commercial and industrial projects, and thousands of residential projects, total of 8 megawatt. SolarCell is now an end-to-end business. We plan to touch on clients in Visayas and Mindanao as well.
We envision that the Philippines will use solar as their primary source of energy in the near future.
Where there's sun, there's SolarCell.